Come on down to Lakeshore RV Center where you can own this Arctic Wolf 287 BHS 2023 camper for only $375 per month. This camper is selling for $45,975. I can arrange financing for you. I can arrange shipment to your door. Stop down to Lakeshore RV Center, see what we have to offer. This is John from Lakeshore RV Center. You can reach us at our website at www.lakeshore-rv.com or call me personally on my cell phone at 231-740-6225 or call the dealership at 231-788-2040. This Arctic Wolf 287 bunkhouse has so much to offer. It weighs in at only 8,400 pounds. It is half-ton towable, incredible basement storage, fiberglass exterior, aluminum framing, beautiful oversized beds and bath. Come down to Lakeshore RV Center, see what we have to offer here, or reach out to us. You can reach us on our main landline at 231-788-2040, or call me on my cell phone at 231-740-6225. Once again, you can own this for only $375 a month or $45,975. Thanks again, give us a call.